Good day, everyone, and welcome to Investment University. In here, we teach the student of the market three important pillars of learning. Number one, diligence. Number two, data analysis, due diligence, data analysis, and number three, disruption. Um, Blockchain technology is a disruption, and Vechain market has the blockchain X. It differs from the blockchain of Satoshi Nakamoto because it has three important distinctive features. Number one, it has governance. Number two, it has a community of investors and traders who are smart, who have strong hands, and who have deep pockets. They are committed to make Bitchain a realization in our world. There would be a lot of things that are happening in Bitchain, a lot of partnership. Now, for today, I would have to summarize to you the highlights of 2020 and the news and events that made 2020 and what are we looking into when we look at 2021. What will this history in 2020 teach us about the Bitchain in 2021? Now, basically, I can sum it up that it has been quiet for some time in the first few months of the 2020. But after that, there was a pullback action starting from August, September, October, November, and December. And these events can be summarized with the five the 5 R's, the 5 R's event of the 5 R events of 2020 for the VeChain market. Number one, there was a reflections of the losses. Number two, there was a rejection at a major resistance. Number three, there was a retrace of support, finding a handle at a level of 0.016. And then there was a retest, okay, of the resistance. And finally, there was a rally that breaks out this resistance. Now, most of these that I have mentioned, highlights, are happening from August, September, October, November, and December. Okay, now here are those who have given the news on the facts as to the movement of the price of the VeChain. VeChain rejection, this is major, could cause a sharp drop. It did happen at a handle of 0.18. It was rejected, and the technical indicator on a daily time frame suddenly turned bearish. The VeChain is trading still inside a parallel ascending channel after 4 months of losses. This was reported by Baldwin Tahidri, who had made a favor to us investors and traders and have noted what are the major events that is happening in the VeChain. So he is a graduate of the financial market, a master's degree in financial market at the Barcelona Graduate School of Economics, and had worked in the Ministry of Economic Development in his native country, Kosovo. And then on December 10, Colin Mueller says that VeChain's getting rejected at key level price analysis. True, it has happened actually, and he just echoed the sentiments and what has been observed by Tahidri. Colin Mueller studies history and political economics at some pretty good university. pretty good, a name, pretty good universities. Well, thank you for that. It was just a reflection of what the Hidri had noted. On December 15, Vechain price analysis, Vechain can retest 0.025. That number, 0.025, that is the number, the price that we are looking in this December to happen. Okay, that is the breakout, target point, for us to get our profit. Tanya Abrosimova says that Vechain technical picture suggests that the token is poised for recovery. Okay, there was a rejection, and this rejection, okay, could cause a sharp drop. It did to a level of 0.016, but Tahidri says it would go to a level of 0.012. We might not agree on that, because we mentioned that if it will reach that level, there will be a sudden spring effect. That means there are more buyers who are willing to buy that at that level and at that entry buy point reference. Now, she said that if Vechain needs to go and retest 0.025, okay, it must not go below 0.016. I think 2 or 3 instances where it has break 0.016 and go to 0.015, even as low as 0.012, but that was just temporary, and it was back into the ascending channel. Tanya Abrosimova had made this comment, and that's the number that we are looking into, 0.025, and she has an experience in the financial market and covering macroeconomics with profound skills in fundamental analysis. Now, on December 18, another major highlight that happened to the Vechain. Vechain price struck in a no trade area, while momentum continues building at a 25% breakout. So what he is trying to say, the Vechain price is inside still an ascending triangle, looking bullish and poised to break out from that level, and the pattern continues to tighten, consolidate closer to a breakout or a breakdown. Breakout or breakdown. We see this as a construct for breakout, and we have called that it could be a breakout, and we need momentum. And it did happen that there was a breakout to a handle of 0.020. So Lorenzo is an experienced technical analyst and content writer who's been working in the cryptocurrency industry since 2012. Okay, he has also passions for trading. Now, I am delivering you this news on a technical analysis perspective. I may deliver you some news about the partnership, but basically I am focused on the price action of the Vechain in 2020. Vechain price reflects losses for 4 months high of 0.016. That's basically what happened. No? Vechain price reflects losses from 4 months high by Mehak Punjabi, and it is reflected here in the chart. As you can see, from August, September, October, November, okay, these are reflections of losses that had happened. From here on, from December, an ascending channel is being formed. From there was a rejection at the resistance of 0.18. From there, Okay, you would see the rejection, put it back to 0.15, 0.015, back to 0.016, and a retrace of support at that level. There was a retest to break the level of resistance and a rally or breakout at 0.020. So Mehak Punjabi is a postgraduate in MBA with specializations in finance, and she was quick to point out what was really happening there. And on December 28th, this is the final thing that had happened with the Vechain. Vechain price breaks out. There's a breakout. There's a rally and targets at 43% surge towards a 0.025. Note the value 0.025 and 0.026. This is the handle that we are looking into where a possible profit taking can occur. Now this is December 28th. It can happen today, tomorrow, or the next day. We are at around 0.02021 price of today. Now what will be happening in the near future in 2021? There will be more bullish actions with this Vechain market, and there are four arguments that justify this movement. Okay, it will move the market cap from a 1 billion market cap to as high as the mid cap market capitalization, let's say around 4 or 5 billion, the same as what Cardano and other cryptocurrencies in the top 10 market capitalization in this digital asset. Currently, we are around, the Vechain is around 24 based on market capital, small capital, around 1.2 billion as of today. So we are looking into a possibility of a 5 billion or a 4 billion market capital as more adoption and more adoption will take place, where more late adopters will be in the Vechain ecosystem. So that's basically is assuring for those investors who are giving away their money as an investment and using Vechain as a vehicle in which they can get more from the market. So thank you for watching. You can like, you can please subscribe to this channel for more updates and more highlights of the events and the news, specifically on the technical analysis by 2021. Thank you and have a good day.